I have been teaching companies around the world how to get the most out of Excel for more than 20 years. I am a full-time Excel trainer and consultant, so every day I am in the thick of the action teaching others how to master Excel. Welcome to this ultimate Microsoft Excel course. This course will teach you everything you need to know to be an Excel expert. You will not need another course. This is the most complete Excel course on Udemy. You will learn everything, and the course is continually updated to include new features and changes that are happening in Excel. We will cover all the critical and in-demand skills of Excel, including formulas, pivot tables, charts, VLOOKUPs, macros, and much more. You will see examples on this course that you will not find on other Udemy courses, and everything explained in a way that I guarantee you will understand. It does not matter what your current knowledge is. We will start with the basics and progress to expert level. So jump in where you fit, and you can learn in weeks what has taken me and others years. The exact spreadsheets that I use can be downloaded to follow along, and you will receive one-to-one support every step along the way. So if you want to be an Excel expert, I will see you in the course.